the military, a lot of people say, why go? Why be in a danger zone?
Well,
like
you know,
that?
it's not about thrill seeking or the adrenaline rush, but as opportunities emerge in Iraq to see lasting democracy and to see some of the structures that are now being in place built there, sustained, this is just a new wave of helping Iraqis sustain that growth and that momentum, and that's what it's about for me.
Okay, but in Afghanistan, the Afghan people really, to be able to stand on their own is something that, well, the Russians left them, and what happens? The Taliban, Al Qaeda come in there. Ultimately, we want to leave there, correct?
Well, my experience is Iraq. I don't know anything about Afghanistan, but let me just say this about Iraq. When I left there in late 2008, many of my Iraqi friends came to me and said, we know you have to leave for a while, but we're so glad you're here. We want you to come back. Please don't stay in the States longer than you have to take care of some family obligations, but come back and help us finish this job of building our nation. And so I made a commitment, and this is the vehicle that I'm using to fulfill a promise that I made to the people of Iraq.
Fantastic.
Okay.